Anyway, guys, all of us, we are not ready for this one. It is January. We are still stressed with a lot of stuff. Unfortunately, there's nothing we can do. Even though we can complain, it's already too late. We just need to accept the reality of life. Anyway, guys, let's get to the start of today. You know, the rest of the house is not peace and facility. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. Mojo Love does not love us. Umojolove akasithandi nkosi yami, and this is what Umojolove posted on their Twitter page account. This is what they have to say. Back by popular demand, get ready to glue to your screen on Sunday for the 7th season of isencane lengane at 9 o'clock from the True of February 2025. Congratulations to Thando Dlamuka and Siyacela. Dlamuka, guys, they are back. I know all of us, we're not ready, guys. One thing about isencane lengane, it needs you to be emotionally ready, maybe around March. You know, right now we are still busy, guys. Again, we still also have Thando Dlamuka season 8. It means that this year, guys, all you need to do, make sure that you prepare yourself emotionally. I know people will complain, but we still watch. Even though we don't like what Siyacela is doing to Thando, we will also watch and complain, but still watch. So there's something that Thando mentioned on that podcast. She went on to say that Siyacela and herself, they are no longer sleeping together. They are like brother and sister. And on the trailer, Mojolavo posted, I'm not gonna post it here because of YouTube rules. One thing about YouTube, guys, they don't play. So Siyacela was saying that I was going there to choose a wife. He was talking about a second wife. So I wonder what's gonna happen, guys. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. Even if we complain, we say Thando, leave this marriage. Siyacela does not love you. I guess, guys, they get paid to be on a reality show, so they cannot separate because of the reality show, guys. As you can see there, Umojolove say they are back by popular demand, meaning that a lot of people say that they do want the show, because the last time on season 6, a lot of people were saying that they will never watch isencane lengane, but I guess the fact that they are back again, it means that people love this show. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.